Making almost any change to your Amazon selling account can be terrifying. You face verifications, requests for documents, and the possibility of account suspension. Sometimes you need to make a simple change like changing your company name, your address, or maybe you want to switch to an entirely different legal entity. In this video, you will learn step by step exactly how to change your legal entity that is located in a different country than your current company without any guesswork. Hi, my name is Claudius, and I'm the founder and CEO of an Amazon account management agency, AMZ Bees. And I've personally registered over 100 of Amazon accounts and helped even more with account level verifications. There will be 8 steps in this process. Your situation might be slightly different than ours, so make sure to understand the entire process and not just follow it blindly. We will dive deeper into the tax information update, deposits and charge methods update, legal entity update, reaching out to account help support, legal entity update once again, then deposit method verification, legal entity information submission, and additional documents uploading, and then finally, legal entity information submission. Everything we will be doing, except contacting account help support, is going to be under the gear on the far right side of your Seller Central interface. Then go to Settings and Account Settings. For the best experience, I recommend doing these steps from the main admin user. Sub-users have limited capabilities for tax information and deposit method updates. The situation we're looking at in the video is very specific, but far from unique. So one of our agency clients has started selling on Amazon.com under a Lithuanian company. The company's real operations and work have absolutely nothing to do with what the brand owner is doing on Amazon. For him, Amazon was an experiment, a side hustle, not even worth creating a separate entity for. He just wanted to start sooner. In a few months of working together, we have grown his Amazon business from zero to a few $1,000s of monthly profit. This was enough to verify that the model he's building works. So he has created a US-based LLC to focus strictly on the Amazon business. And he needs to change the entity from a Lithuanian to a US-based entity. Everything changes except the point of contact. The bank information, credit cards, company address, company name, company number, and most importantly, the country. You might have already noticed this, but normally, Amazon will not allow you to change the country or establishment. If you try, you will see that the business location is grayed out. So let's start with step number 1, updating the tax information. In the account settings, navigate to tax information on the left under tax information. Then select tax information. Here you will see your current business name and address. And you should be able to see a button allowing you to update tax information. When you click it, inside the Seller Central tax profile, select your tax classification as business. And in this case, since we're changing the company to a US LLC, we select that we are indeed a US resident entity. Then we select the federal tax classification as a limited liability company, and we choose the LLC type as the only fitting option. Next, we fill in the company name, taxpayer identification number, and the company address copied letter for letter from the official company registration documents. Click Save and Preview. Here, carefully go through the entire RS form and make sure all of the information is as accurate as it can be, and sign with your full name. When signed, you should see a similar screen stating that your tax information has been received and successfully validated. Exit the interview, and you should see the legal business name and place of establishment changed. Now with the easy part done, we move to the second step. Update the deposit and charge methods. And by the way, if everything just starts flashing red, you get an all caps Inform Consumers Act error message. Just know that this is normal and exactly what we want. In the account settings, go to payment information on the left side and select deposit methods. You will most likely be prompted to sign into your account to verify for security purposes. Once inside this deposit methods, select replace default deposit method, select add new deposit method, and enter your new entity's bank account information. Have a recent bank statement PDF prepared that you will need to upload to have Amazon verify your new bank account. Once your bank account statement has been uploaded, you can update your credit card. Go back to account settings, payment information, and go to charge methods. You will be prompted to sign in again, and once inside, select add a new charge method. Then select the country and add your new company credit or debit card details. Depending on your bank, you may need to go through additional steps to verify it. Once the credit card is added, make sure to add it to all available countries. Before moving to the next step, you need to make sure that Amazon has successfully verified your bank account information. This process might take a couple of days at most, but it also could take a couple of hours. Be on the lookout for an email like this stating that your bank account information has been updated successfully. Then go back to deposit methods and make sure to assign all available marketplaces to the new deposit method. If there are marketplaces unassigned, you might encounter an Amazon bug that desubmits what you have already submitted in the business information, which is our next step. Now, let's move to step number 3. Updating the legal entity in business information. In this step, we will be updating the business information with the old country, in this case, Lithuania. So we will be entering all of the details for the US entity, but without the ability to change the country. Go back to account settings, then business information, and click on legal entity. Then enter your new business name, company registration number, and add the address. The address will still feature the old country, as you still cannot change it. Once done, click Save and Submit. Once submitted, you might need to wait 1 to 3 days for Amazon to review and reject your submission on the basis that the address information does not match your company document. In most cases, you would get stuck here without the ability to change the country of establishment. And if you have called Amazon before all of the steps we just did, in most cases, they will, with 100% certainty, tell you that it is impossible to change the country of establishment, and you definitely cannot change the legal entity, which is obviously not true since you are watching this video. Now, before we get into how we actually unlock this, if you want more videos like this one, walking through the messy Amazon situations nobody else explains, smash the like button and subscribe. And as a thank you for doing that, here's a picture of my Maine Coon, Leo. Our next step is to contact Amazon Account Health by the phone. Go to Account Health and select Contact Us. While on the phone with Amazon Account Health rep, you will want to explain to them that for some reason, your country of establishment in the account is different country than your business, and there is no option to change it. Your business is a US-based LLC, but all of your account information is accurate and verified for the US LLC. However, you cannot complete the Inform Consumers Act because Amazon doesn't allow you to genuinely and accurately change your business country to the correct one. The Amazon representative will ask for some time to investigate. That could take 10 to 30 minutes from my experience. Once done, they should come back to you with a simple solution: to raise the concern to the internal team for further review. So they would reset the country of establishment. Then after 3 to 5 business days, the internal team should have finished the review and you should receive an email like this one. Now, go back to the account settings, business information, legal entity, and try to update your country of establishment. The grayed out option is now available for editing. Once confirmed, the page will reload and it should look something like this. The business name, registration number, and address are now gone. Only the country is entered. Expand the business information window and you will see that the country of the address is changed to United States and is still grayed out. All of the previous steps we took were to convince Amazon's internal team to allow us to change the country of establishment. From here on out, it will be a breeze. Not really, but we will try. Now enter your company details again, verify your phone number and CAPTCHA, then click Save and Submit for verification. We wait for Amazon to index the change of a key detail in the entity, and they will reset the Inform Consumers Act. Most likely, you will not be able to successfully push the business information update before your bank details are verified. Your previously updated bank account will be unverified, and you will need to upload your bank statement to verify it again in the deposit method. Amazon should verify it in a couple of hours or within a day. Once the bank verification has been completed, your account overview will look like this. With the bank verified, that's step 6 done. Now, for step 7, go back to business information, legal entity, and submit it for verification. If the business information resets in 5 to 10 minutes, that might mean that Amazon Robot still sees a mismatch for the address in the documents you've submitted before. In our specific situation, we needed to upload our bank statement as business address proof under the personal address of the main point of contact on the same page. However, your case might be different. So before uploading any document to a place that clearly states to upload something else, always consult Amazon account health support. For us, after uploading the bank statement, the issue persisted and we needed the account health team to contact the internal management team to trigger a registration extract upload. These are the two documents that Amazon uses to verify your legal entity details and your legal entity address. So with the bank statement uploaded, we needed to upload the registration document. However, there was no option to upload it. After around 1 week to 8 or 9 days, we received the ability to upload our company documents. And once uploaded, the legal entity was verified within 10 minutes. So to recap all of the steps we did. First, we updated our tax information. Then we updated the deposit method and charge method. We updated legal entity information with the old country address and asked account health support to re-trigger the country of establishment verification. Next, we updated the legal entity information again, but this time with the correct country. We uploaded the bank statement and verified our new bank account for the second time. Then submitted all of the legal entity details we previously saved for the final verification. Then we uploaded the company bank statement under the personal address of the main point of contact. And finally, we had the account health trigger and upload for the company registry extract, which was the final step to fully migrate the account under a new legal entity. Now, keep in mind that every situation is unique with different settings, different company types, and different nuances that Amazon might ask of you. Everything that I've shown today is part of our service at AMZB's agency. You can follow the link in the description to book a call with my team to see if your business has more opportunities to grow on this platform with us.